It is another great day here at DGDG, and we are in Capital Volkswagen. And today we are hosting a car seat safety event in partnership with the Lucile Packard Children's Hospital in Safe Kids, California. We are making sure that people have car seats in their cars installed correctly.
So when we check the seat, first thing I want to show you is that we always check the seat at the belt path, which is how it's fastened. Either you can use the latch system, which is what someone used here, or you can use the vehicle seat belt. Never both. This is not a high chair for food, so don't feed your baby in the seat because it could be a potential choking hazard. Okay, so what age do you think a child can be in the front seat?
I'm gonna say 13.
Very good.
Yeah, what?
So a child shouldn't be in the front seat until they're at least 13 years of age because of the airbag. Okay, we're gonna talk about 5 points of child passenger safety seats inside a vehicle. Okay, the first point that we're gonna talk about is making sure that you're using the appropriate car seat for the child. And the seat should accommodate the age and height as well as the weight. And how old is your child now?
7 months.
Okay. So how are they far as size in the seat now? Do they still fit pretty well? Next, most important is location. The safest position inside a motor vehicle for a child in a car seat is the center position. Because the middle is, when possible, is always the best option. But not all vehicles can you put a car seat in the middle. So you need to check with the owner's manual to check to see if you can put because of the design now, like you have a jump seat here or armrest or whatever, so that might change the configuration of the seat. Next is the direction. Best practice states that a child should be rear facing inside a motor vehicle until they reach the limits of that car seat. In 2017, Governor Brown signed into law car seat legislation that all children must remain rear-facing until the age of 2 unless they're 40 inches or 40 pounds. And also installation. It's very important that we make sure that the angle is proper and correct. And when we're checking for tightness, the seat should have 1 inch or less of play in line with the belt path. Even like you have the base here, normally what you do is take one hand right here, and it shouldn't move more than 1 inch side to side.
Oh yeah, what's that?
And also harnessing. The harness should be a snug fit throughout the harness.
Okay, tighten it just a little bit more.
And the breast clip should be aligned with the armpits.
There we go. You see how it kind of all threads this? You have to thread up the slack to here, and then you want this right at armpit level.
It's okay that her head's to the side?
Yeah, she's okay. And then, so yeah, you don't want to be able to pinch any fabric together. So you're good.
In the state of California, 1 out of every 3 car seats are not installed correctly. And as we all know, that is not a good thing. So here today, we are doing some good and we're helping the community. We've got over 25 appointments and some walk-ins from people who are just making sure that their kids are safe and happy. And DGDG is doing some good. Thanks.